we are going to study the next chapter, which is parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Answer: words are divided into different parts according to their uses is called parts of speech. शब्दों को अलग अलग भागों में बांटा गया है, इसके प्रयोग के अनुसार से उसे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच कहते हैं. देयर आर 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच के 8 प्रकार होते हैं. नाउन, प्रोनाउन, एडजेक्टिव, वर्ब, एडवर्ब, प्रीपोजिशन, कंजंक्शन एंड इंटरजेक्शन. फर्स्ट, नाउन को हिंदी में संज्ञा कहते हैं. सेकेंड, प्रोनाउन को हिंदी में सर्वनाम कहते हैं. थर्ड, एडजेक्टिव को हिंदी में विशेषण कहते हैं. फोर्थ, वर्ब को हिंदी में क्रिया कहते हैं. फिफ्थ, एडवर्ब को क्रिया विशेषण कहते हैं. सिक्स, प्रीपोजिशन को संबंध सूचक अव्यय कहते हैं. सेवेंथ, कंजंक्शन को संयोजक कहते हैं. और इंटरजेक्शन को विस्मय बोधक और विस्मयाधि बोधक अव्यय कहते हैं. नाउ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ नाउन. फर्स्ट, noun is a naming word or noun is a word which give meaning of name or person, place, things, etc. is called noun. किसी व्यक्ति, नाम या स्थान को नाउन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल: राम, सीता, खुशी, मुंबई, गंगा, etc. For example of in sentence form, Sita is a girl, Khushi is a happy girl. In the first sentence, Sita is a noun. Second sentence, Khushi is the noun. Now I can give you the more example. The teacher teaches. Teacher is the name of person. Second, this is school. The word school is the name of place. The tiger roared. Tiger is the name of animal. That is train. Train is the name of thing. So teacher, school, tiger and train are naming words. So they are called noun. Second, pronoun. Sarvanam. A pronoun is a word which come instead of noun is called pronoun. Noun के बदले में जो आता है उसे pronoun कहते हैं. A pronoun is a word used for in place of noun. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, etc. are pronouns. Example: this is Sonam. She is my classmate. She is the pronoun. This is Madhav. He is very nice. He is the pronoun. These are Ankit and Gaurav. They are close friend. They is pronoun. This is Miss Nandini. She is our class teacher. She is the pronoun. There is a ball under the tree. It is mine. It is the pronoun. Now third, adjective. Visheshan. An adjective is a word which gives quality of noun and pronoun is called adjective. जो संज्ञा और सर्वनाम का विशेषता बतलाता है उसे एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल: गुड, ब्यूटिफुल, हैप्पी, एक्सेट्रा. इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेंटेंस, सीता इज अ ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल. ब्यूटिफुल इज एन एडजेक्टिव. खुशी is a happy girl. Instead of Khushi, name, we can use she is a happy girl. So she and Khushi gets appreciated with the way of happy. Beautiful. These all are the adjective. For example, in the more forms, you can go, this is very heavy. Second example, the black car is ours. Third example, the old woman in my aunt. Fourth, Ramu is a dirty boy. Fifth, honey is sweet. The monkey has a long tail. Deepika is a clever girl. Ashok was a king. So in these sentences, happy, black, old, dirty, sweet, long, clever, king, these all are the adjective. Fourth part of parts of a speech, that is verb. Kriya. In the simple way, verb is an action word, or verb is a word used to express an action is called verb. जिससे किसी काम का पता चलता है उसे verb कहते हैं. Example, play, run, go, do, etc. In the form of sentence, Sita is singing a song. Singing is a verb. Khushi is playing in the ground. Playing is the verb. Bird fly. Birds flies. The boy sleeps. The boy swim. The sun shines. The dog barks. Fire burns. These all are the verb. Fly, sleeps, swim, shine, bark, burn. Fifth, adverb. Adverb is an word which adds quality of verb and adjective is called verb. जो क्रिया और विशेषण का विशेषता बतलाता है उसे adverb कहते हैं. Example, happy, very happy, good, very good, quick, quickly, correct, correctly, loud, loudly, grace, gracefully, suddenly, finally. These all are the adverb. Radha sang sweetly. In sentence, sweetly is the adverb. The kids love playing together. So together is the adverb. His jokes are always very funny. Very is an adverb. She was walking rapidly. Rapidly is the adverb. Please come inside now. Now is adverb. You don't really care. Really is an adverb. 6. Preposition. संबंध सूचक अव्यय. A preposition is a word which gives relation between one word to another word or one sentence to another sentence is called preposition. जिससे किसी संबंध का पता चलता है उसे preposition कहते हैं. Example, in, on, by, at, of, near, upon, under, etc. In the sentence form, she plays in the ground. In is preposition. Book is on the table. On is preposition. The doctor is in his clinic. In is preposition. Many patients are sitting on the benches. On is preposition. The doctor is talking to the nurse. To is preposition. All the patients go to the doctor's cabin in turn. In is a preposition. Some students sat under a tree. Under is a preposition. My uncle is sitting by my aunt. By is a preposition. 7th, conjunction. Sanyojak. A conjunction is a word which adds one word to another word and one sentence to another sentence is called conjunction. जो दो शब्दों और वाक्यों को जोड़ता है उसे कंजंक्शन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, एंड, बट, etc. Ram and Shyam are playing in the ground. Neeta goes to school. Meeta goes to school. If we say in this form, it would be not a conjunction. We can say in the form of conjunction, Neeta and Meeta go to school. To join the sentence, and Raju is tall, Rohan is taller. No, we can say Raju is tall, but Rohan is taller. To join the different things, but is conjunction. So in the form of conjunction, we can say and, but, because, when, if, so, yet, as, since. These all are the conjunction. Now, eighth part of parts of a speech, interjection. Bismay bodhak. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling. Surprise is called interjection. जिससे हर्ष और विस्मय का पता चलता है उसे इंटरजेक्शन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, exclamation, hurrah, hip hip, alas. These all are the signs of exclamation. We can write with the help of exclamatory sign, interjection. These all are the simple way to understand parts of a speech. Friends, you need to understand one thing. This 8 parts of a speech, these are classified in the different form. If you are going in the depth of parts of a speech, if you are thinking depth in the parts of a speech, then a noun has a different parts, noun has a 5 parts, pronoun has a different parts, adjective has a different part. So in this chapter, we are not going to study more about parts of a speech. To become a speaker of English,